If you have been struggling to create your Facebook page and it has been telling you you've created too many pages, when in reality you've not even created any page, this is how you go about it. So first and foremost, you come over to your Facebook app, click on the person icon, then you click on pages. Now you click on create and you click on get started. Now you put in the name of the page you want to set up, okay? And then you click on next. And then you put in the category of the kind of product you'll be selling. So if you're someone like me that is into e-com, you can just do shopping service, okay? Shopping service, and then you click on create. You see the message, you have created too many pages. Let's do it again. You have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. Now, what you do is to overcome this challenge, about 4 different approach you can use. One of them is to change the network you are browsing with. Okay, change the network you are browsing with. If you are using MTN, you can go to Glo, or you can go to Airtel, or you could try Etisalat or any of these other mobile network. That can work in some cases. The second option you can use is to get a VPN. Okay, get a VPN, close your app, open it again, turn on your VPN, and then you create the page. It should work. I've used that severally before. Now, another strategy you can use is to download the Facebook Lite application. And that's what I've already done here from the Play Store. Okay, so I'll open it up. I just downloaded it, and then I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, and so what you need to do is to come again, click on the 3 lines at the top right, click on pages, then you click on create. Okay, and then you click on get started, and then you put in the name of the page you want to create. Okay, and then you click on next, then you put in your category, add a category, e-commerce websites. Okay, and then you click on next. All right, perfect. It has been created. So do you have a website? Yes, we do. www.autovisionx.com. Okay, and then you click on next. You can see we've just created a Facebook page, and they're asking us to add an image as well as the logo. So basically that's how you go about creating your Facebook page. So you can type done. You get it? Simple, easy, straightforward. Okay, so if you like this video, please follow our page for more updates on strategies on Facebook and Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertisement, or if you're interested in learning more about dropshipping, just follow our page. We'll be dropping content about it soonest.